Hi there everybody, I'm doing a quick WIP video. I'm being quite good at the moment. I don't have too much on the go. I've got a few things that have been going on behind the scenes that I can't share with you just yet, but that is what has been keeping me busy for the last couple of weeks, but that will all be revealed hopefully maybe next week or the week after. But these are the two projects that I can show you that I am working on. So the first one I'm going to show you is the one that I've started with this beautiful Hayfield Spirit. Now, you know that I love the Sundown shade, and that is what I did my Sundown blanket in. But this is the shade called, I think it's called Melody. And I've started the amazing pattern by Ivy&Mabel called the Pinwheel blanket / there's also a variation on the pattern called the Pinwheel Cushion. And I was lucky enough to be a pattern tester for this particular pattern back in August of last year. But this is the first time that I'm actually working up a proper blanket sized piece. So it's a really beautiful granny square. Obviously you can make them as big or as small as you would want them to be using the pattern. I'm making this into, well, just as much as I can out of that shade that I have got. And it's obviously a simple pattern repeat, and you start from the center and work out, and you get these beautiful lines that come up from the center all the way around. You can see it twists as it goes, and it just looks absolutely amazing. And you'll know that I'm a really great fan of Angie's patterns. The Ivy&Mabel patterns are always so delicate and so beautiful, and I've done a few of hers now. So I'm going to make probably another one of these using a Shapey's whirl at some point as well. I think it would look amazing in a whirl, and that is what Angie actually used for her original design, and her pictures look really, really good. So yeah, this is the Pinwheel design, and like I say, I was a pattern tester for this back in August of last year, and it really is worth buying the pattern and working it up because it is absolutely beautiful. And it doesn't matter whether you use variegated yarn or a solid colour yarn, it will look amazing. So yeah, I will leave the link in the description to the Ivy&Mabel pattern. I always like to support the people that spend so much time designing patterns, and it's really important, I think, to support the people that put so much time and effort into designing these amazing patterns for us to use. So yeah, I'll leave the link to the pattern in the description box. So that is the first one. And then the second one that I'm working on is using a whirl, and this is one of the ombre whirls, and this was called Forbidden Fuchsia. So that's a very loud aeroplane, sorry about that. And yeah, it's beautiful shades of pink. So you can see I have started working this up. I'm actually really happy with how this is looking. I think it looks really delicate, really pretty. And this is one of the variations of the 50/50 granny square. And there isn't a tutorial for this exact blanket pattern on the channel yet. But if it is one that you would like, then just leave me a comment saying, yes, definitely want a tutorial for that one. But it is just the variation of the Love Your Diamonds blanket, but it is just alternating rounds. So it's really pretty, and again, would look great in any yarn that you choose. But I'm using the whirl because I just love the gradient that you get. But I do have plans to make quite a few of these because I'm really liking how it's looking as it's working up. But yeah, those are my two main projects at the moment, and I think they're both looking really good. But that is all that I've got to show you for the moment. As I say, there is a little secret project going on behind the scenes that I will hopefully be able to reveal to you in the coming weeks. So yeah, nervous / excited to see what you all think about that. But I will see you for a normal tutorial at the weekend. Bye for now.